Welcome! Today we have an exciting new item to review. This giant box holds the keys to many of life's problems. That is, if your life's problems include needing a XXX mouse pad. First, I just want to take the second to thank Tech Shinji for the opportunity to review this product. Secondly, this is not a paid advertisement or review. My opinions on this product are that of my own. That being said, this product was provided to me free of charge for my honest opinion. So with that all out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the review on this. Introducing the Gorilla Stimpack 3x Extended Gaming Mousepad. They have a slogan, the world's largest mousepad, stamped right here on the box. Let's open this thing up and see exactly what's inside this box. On a side note, this box is a little bit beat up, but it was shipped directly to me, and I'm sure this isn't how you would actually receive it when being shipped via Amazon or direct shipping from the manufacturer. So let's go ahead and dig into this. Okay. So this mouse pad boasts a 48 by 24 inch by 0.2 inch dimensions. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. It's quite heavy. This box probably weighs a solid 4 pounds right out the gate. It's very thick quality, very heavy duty. Let's see here. And can we zoom in on our little Gorilla logo here? Let's move our supplies and let's roll this thing out. Whew, that thing is a beast. This table is only about 23 inches wide, so it's overhanging by a solid inch all around, and my table is only 40 inches wide, so I've got about 4 inches of overhang on all sides on this. But this thing, here's our logo. This thing is nice. It's very thick. So as I stated before, this mouse pad is 48 by 24 by 0.2 inches thick. Now I want to compare it with my mouse pad from my main computer gaming station, and it is at least double the thickness at the edge. It's quite thick. It has a very good, solid looking stitch all the way around. It's quite thick, it's very sturdy. Let's look really close at the texture. The texture looks really good. That logo is down in and will not cause any kind of hesitation on your mouse. Let's just feel how good it glides. So let's quickly go over some of the features. This mouse pad boasts a 48 by 24 by 0.2 inch dimension. It's quite thick, it's quite heavy duty. It has a very nice stitched edge that goes all the way around the outside. It boasts two beautiful Gorilla logos, one giant one in the middle, and then one little subdued one on this side. It features a non-slipped rubber backing. It's quite heavy. This box weighed about 4 pounds. And one of the most important features that they are advertising is that this mouse pad is waterproof and that it is easy to clean. The manufacturer states that it is in fact machine washable for many years to come. In closing, this mega mouse pad definitely has a premium look and feel to it. I read many reviews on this item to see what experiences other users were having, and on Amazon it has 451 real reviews and it boasts a rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. And if you have this mouse pad, make sure to comment down below and give us your feedback, give us some pros, give us some cons, and tell us why you like or dislike this item so that we can help provide that quality information to other end users. So if you're looking for a premium XXX sized mouse pad without a premium price tag, the Gorilla XXX Stimpack is the mouse pad for you. Links for this item will be down in the description. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride. Pew!